Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Let's face it, sticking to a budget feels like trying to herd cats sometimes. You meticulously plan your expenses, feeling optimistic and empowered. But then, life happens. That unexpected car repair or a friend's birthday dinner throws your perfectly crafted spreadsheet into chaos. Sound familiar? If you're constantly chasing your budget instead of it working for you, then you might be interested in YNAB, or you need a budget. But before you dive in, a crucial question: is YNAB free? The short answer, and why you should keep watching. YNAB isn't entirely free, but it does offer a generous 34-day trial period. This gives you ample time to test drive the software and see if its budgeting philosophy resonates with you. However, to keep using YNAB after the trial, you'll need a subscription. But here's the thing: is the subscription worth it? That depends entirely on your financial goals and budgeting style. The rest of this video will delve deeper into YNAB's features, its unique approach to budgeting, and ultimately, help you decide if the paid subscription makes sense for you. YNAB, budgeting with a twist. So, what makes YNAB different? Traditional budgeting often focuses on tracking past expenses. YNAB flips the script entirely. It's an envelope system on steroids, where you assign every dollar you earn to specific spending categories: groceries, rent, entertainment, you name it. Think of it like putting your money into virtual envelopes. Here's the key difference: with YNAB, you can't spend money you don't have. If you haven't assigned enough to your groceries envelope, you can't just overspend and move money around later. This forces you to be proactive and realistic about your spending. YNAB features a budgeter's toolkit. Okay, the envelope system sounds interesting, but is that all YNAB offers? Not quite. Here are some additional features that make YNAB a budgeting powerhouse. Goal setting. Define clear financial goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a vacation, or building an emergency fund. YNAB tracks your progress and keeps you motivated. Mobile app. Manage your budget on the go, ensuring you can stay on track wherever you are. Debt payoff assistant. YNAB provides different strategies to tackle debt, helping you free yourself from financial burdens. Reporting and insights. Get a clear picture of your spending habits and identify areas for improvement. Is the YNAB subscription worth it? Now, we get to the heart of the matter. The YNAB subscription costs $14.99 per month or $99 per year. Is it a worthwhile investment? Here's the thing: if you've tried traditional budgeting and constantly struggle to stick to your plan, YNAB's unique approach might be a game changer. The 34-day trial allows you to experiment and see if it clicks. However, if you're comfortable with a basic spreadsheet budget and have the discipline to stay on track, YNAB might not be essential. The bottom line: a budget you can actually use. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your financial needs and preferences. YNAB isn't a magic bullet, but it can be a powerful tool to transform your relationship with money. If you're serious about taking control of your finances and building a budget that works, then the subscription fee could be a wise investment in your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.